Blue Sky, and here we are. I think this is the second annual Hitchin Post car show and extravaganza that we've played. I see some friends here. That's good. Yeah, I see some shirts out there. All right. Well, we're not going to delay too much. You guys don't want to hear me talk. I'm sure nobody does back here. So here we go.